it. Alright, we about to go in there because we hungry. We're hungry.
Y'all turn my light off.
No.
I want eggs, grits, and bacon.
Yeah.
No, y'all getting cereal.
No, we're tired of eating
We're not
that.
finna cook. We tired. Y'all go up in there.
That's okay. Come on, Aubrey, let's go. We finna go to the store because we tired of eating cereal. Take these. Aubrey, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Okay, I got the keys, but I low-key do not know what I'm doing. Do I just like... did I do that? Okay, I think why is it going like that? What did I do?
What's that noise?
Oh my God, Aubrey, did I hit something? I think I hit something.
I don't know.
Wait, what did I hit? Oh my God, he's coming. He's coming.
Open this door.
No.
Open this
What are you doing? We want eggs. We want some pancakes,
Okay,
right,
open
Aubrey?
some more then.
Right?
Open this some more.
No.
Open this window.
No, we want
You
to
are in
eat.
trouble.
We don't.
trouble.
No,
You
we
in
don't want cereal.